Today is May 31st, 2012, about 10:30. We have poured these poles to do a shade for the horses, and somebody had stuck a cat in this pipe, and the cat is now stuck in the concrete all the way up to its head. I'm going to cut the pipe out and show the cat. So I want to talk. I think you ought to be digging. I'm going to take a couple pictures.
How about I film and you dig? Andrew, I'm serious. Let me film. You dig as fast as you can. Put a spotlight on it.
No, I've got it.
You can see it better. Get one with the spotlight.
It's kind of hard, huh?
Can you even see? I don't even think you can see. You have to get clear down there. Stick your camera clear down there. More.
Like
Stick it in so it doesn't get the
just a shade thing for the horses. You know, we thought we was going to get this done today. You don't see that very often, do you?
No.
Go get a hammer now. I bet we can just use a hammer instead of the jackhammer.
You can use this.
Go get a hammer.
Where's the hammer at? Okay, I think it's... Yeah, I think that hurts. I don't know, maybe pounding away like that. Yeah.
I'm videoing it. Doesn't make sense, does it?
No. You're a lifesaver. Good work. Thank you so much. Can you open my car door?